Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we are smoking. Not just smoking the main dish, but also a side, and not just any side. We're going to do fire roasted corn. So you're going to need a few things. Of course, corn, the yolks of 2 eggs, stone ground mustard, some oil, vegetable oil, canola, whatever is mild tasting or neutral tasting, white vinegar, salt, paprika. You can use sweet, regular, or smoked. People tend to go for the smoked since it's fire roasted corn. Cotija cheese, and then some type of hot sauce. I like Tapatio just because it has that Mexican flavor to it. First, husk our corn, and then we're going to get into the mayonnaise and grilling of the corn, and we'll show you how it's done. So let's get right into it. Now when you are husking the corn here, do take the time to get off them little hairs, because everybody knows when you got a knob in your mouth, last thing you want is a mouthful of hair. All right, here's a little trick on separating the yolk from the whites. What you want to do is try not to break the yolk. That would not be good. And you can just go from one to the other. This is also a way that you can pick up eggshell if it gets into your egg whites. You use the shell. For whatever reason, it doesn't escape from you. You know how you keep trying to get that eggshell out of your egg whites? Well, for whatever reason, it's attracted to the eggshell. All right, put that aside. Dump my egg whites. Or actually, I'll put the egg whites aside so I can use that for an egg white omelet tomorrow. All right, so I put my egg whites aside. Waste not one. There's 1 egg yolk, 2 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of stone ground mustard, 2 teaspoons of paprika, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of white distilled vinegar. All right, we're going to whisk this all together, and then we're going to add in about 1 cup of a neutral oil. I happen to have vegetable oil here, and we're going to just continue to whisk vigorously as we enter in the oil. And this will start to come in, emulsify. Keep at it. Just take it slow. Keep stirring as vigorously as you can. We're going to set this aside. Grill up our corn. Make sure that you cover that corn with enough oil as well. Coming together. How's your day going? Almost there. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know how it works out for you in the comments below. Would you do anything to improve the recipe? How do you do your fire roasted corn? How do you oil your corn? I normally have the wife do this. Like this. Give your cobs a generous coat of oil before they go onto the grill. Grill's up to temp. Put these down. Watch them closely. Got a nice char on every side. There are some people that don't like the crispiness. So what we want to do is wrap them up in some aluminum foil, turn down the heat, and let them steam a bit in the foil. Make it a little bit less crunchy. Depends on how you like it. All right, so you're gonna want to unwrap the corn here, and then we're gonna put on our mayonnaise and our cheese. All right, so we're gonna gracefully smother these. All right, and then we have some cotija, probably not pronouncing it correctly. All right, now that that's all grilled up and cheesed up and mayonnaised up, just put a hot sauce on it if you like hot sauce, and you're good to go, ready to serve.
Wow.
Let's eat. So I ate so much last night that I put myself into a coma. It's a good meal. So, forgot to sign out. Stay relaxed, keep on living.